Hello, I'm Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk and I'm here with some more tips for the JV1010, which is a superb sound module from the 90s, I think, but still going strong. I can see in my rhythm set list here there's about 20 different drum kits, but every time I want drums it just seems such a pain to try and work out how to get the drums out of this thing. I end up just being a bit lazy and using some other drums from somewhere else, but I'd really like to use these drums. Where are they? Here they are. Nice. Useful things anyway. I mean, not with general MIDI, but sometimes you want a bit of general MIDI bongo, so even a whistle. Well, okay, we've heard some of those lovely drums, but how do we actually get to them? Particularly through this mystifying front panel. We've just got this three number display and a bunch of knobs. One of them's just volume. I think it doesn't do anything else. Oh, you press it and it does things. So how's it done? Well, the most important thing is to get your MIDI master keyboard or MIDI sequencer channel onto channel 10, because that's where most modules expect drums to be sent. It doesn't have to be drums on channel 10. You can usually assign channel 10 to be something else, but generally it's all about the drums. Now, I've got it on channel 10, and I want to set this knob on the right over to user. Oh, and I want to set this knob over on the left to 10. There we go, so that's on 10, this is on user. I should be hearing some drums now if I send on channel 10. Let's try it. That's definitely drums, and you'll find the drum kits up towards the top end. They got all the bongos and all that general MIDI stuff, whistles, and that's going to be the same on all the drum kits. The only differences are on the lower end of the kit, where the snares and claps, and toms, cymbals, hi-hats, those are the only ones that are going to vary very much. So it's not really like a full new drum kit, but there are, I think, 20 available. So how do we get to them? Well, here at user, if you turn the value knob when you're on channel 10, you only get two numbers. So that's one drum kit. That's the other drum kit. And if we go down the right hand side, it's pretty much the same all the way, apart from on the session setting. There we get a choice of 8 different kits. That's fun. And all the rest going down, you just get 2. Woo! Orchestral kit. Oh, where am I going? I'm turning the wrong thing, that one. Ooh. Yeah, that's it. So all of these presets, A, B, C, D, E, and session and user, all give you a few kits. Like mostly they're just 2, but session gives you 8. And that's how to get the drums. Remember to set that to 10, set your channel to 10, and then go down the right hand side and choose one of 2 or one of 8, depending on whether you're on session or user or preset. Enjoy your drumming. It's a lovely set of drums on there. I mean, obviously not as good as the modern multi-sampled things, but quite useful. Thanks for listening.